Hi guys, how is it going? It's Sabi here again with another new video. So in today's video I will show you that how you can connect your iPhone camera with your OBS Studios. In the past I used to have a DSLR camera and it was very simple to connect my DSLR camera to OBS Studios via capture card. So all I had to do is connect my DSLR camera to capture card, and then capture card a cable goes into my laptop. But since I have sold my DSLR camera, I always trying to connect my iPhone camera to OBS Studios, but I could not find any way to connect it. There were no cables available in the shops which can connect my iPhone 12 camera to OBS Studios, but recently I found a solution and I do not need any cables. All I have to do is follow some steps and then my camera from iPhone without any cable connection would be seen on OBS Studios, and in today's video I'm gonna show you exactly that. Alright guys, so the life become very easy for you once you be able to connect the camera to your iPhone camera to your OBS Studios without any cable connection. Alright, so what you need to do is first you go on to google.com, and I'm here on google.com. I will type here Droid Cam. So I'll type here Droid Cam, and there's a website here on the first link you see, droidcam.app. You got to click on that, and once that page open, you have to go down the page a little bit, and then here where it says Windows Client, Windows Setup, you click on that, and then you just download and install the latest DroidCam client. So you click on this link where it's highlighted in gray, droidcam.client.setup.exe. so you click on that, and then as you can see it's downloading the file. So once it's download, instead of going into a direct folder, you can just click here open file, as you can see in front of your screen. I'll click on that and it will open the file for you. So you click yes here, and then it started downloading this file onto your laptop. So click on next, and then click I agree, and then click install. So it's installing that file. So it's installing that file, and now you click on finish. So the DroidCam file is on your laptop now. And now the next step what you got to do is you go onto your iPhone and go onto your Apple Store. So in search option you type, as soon as you start typing the Apple Store will come up here. If it doesn't come, then you have to type the whole thing. So I'll go on to my Apple Store, and in the search option I will type DroidCam, and then here this black color icon or symbol, DroidCam webcam, you download it or you install it on your mobile phone, and then you click on open. So it's opening the app DroidCam. You click continue here, and then you click OK here, and then you click on allow DroidCam. It says DroidCam would like to access the camera. You click allow, and then DroidCam would like to access the microphone. You click allow, and then DroidCam to track your activity across other companies, apps, website. I would click allow, and then allow DroidCam to find device on local network. So you must click allow here, and make sure your iPhone network or your iPhone Wi-Fi and your laptop Wi-Fi is with the same network, right? And now the next step what you got to do is you go onto your OBS Studios. So I will search OBS OBS. So here is my OBS Studios. You can do it like this, or you can just go onto your desktop, and here you will see on my desktop there is an OBS Studio icon. I can click on that, and it's already open. So I click launch anyway. So it's already open, right? Alright, so what I'll do, I'll close this Droid app right now for the time being, and then I'll reopen it again once I'm connecting my camera to OBS Studios. Alright, so what I need to do is I now need to go I'm onto my OBS Studios. Here I will click on plus, and then as you can see here, Droid Cam OBS, I'll click on that, and then I'll just click on OK. And then here you need to click on refresh, and then you click on activate. Okay, so before clicking on activate, you got to open your Droid Cam on your iPhone. So I'll open it. So it's open, and now we'll click on activate. So if it doesn't activate, what you got to do in your Wi-Fi IP, you need to type the IP address which is written on your Droid Cam app. As you can see in front of your screen, it's 10.1.1.63. okay, so now you click on activate, and it's activating, and now you click on OK, and as you can see, the camera is on your OBS Studios without any cable connection. So you can make it full screen like this. As you can see, I'm moving the camera around. And then one more thing you can do here is you can click on your camera screen on your iPhone into AWB to make it autofocus. Okay, so AW will make it autofocus, so you don't have to manually focus it when you are seeing yourself through the camera, right? So you can make the camera screen small, and you put it here on the side like this. Alright guys, so I hope you found this video really helpful. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and hit the notification bell for all the latest videos, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.